Hey guys, it's Shannon. We are down to the very last few days before Christmas. It's less than a week away now, and I hope you all aren't stressing out too badly. I know I still have a few things I need to do before the big day gets here, and I thought I would bring you all some really quick, inexpensive, easy DIY gift ideas for under $5 using all items from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started. So the items that you'll need for this first project, again, all these supplies are going to be from the Dollar Tree for the most part. And you will need a 6x4, one of these plastic photo frames. So you want the horizontal or the landscape style, not the tall one. Also, it's kind of cute to pair it with a pretty pin. This one has rhinestones on it. And you'll also need some Post-it notes. And one other thing that you'll need that is not from the Dollar Tree is some scrapbook paper or a photo, or you could print out a saying, something that we can put on the side. So let's get started creating this really cute Post-it note holder. The design I'm using here I just created on my Photoshop program with a shiplap background and some cute fonts with a sweet little saying. And I just printed it on regular computer paper in black and white. And I used my paper trimmer here to cut it down to that 4x6 size so it would slide into the picture frame. You're actually going to flip this upside down so that the bottom is actually now the top. Insert your design and then you just peel off the back of your Post-it notes and then adhere it onto the plastic frame. And then you just can set your pin on top there. I just wrapped the whole thing in some red and white twine and tied a cute little bow, and it's ready to give as a gift. Our next project is really simple and quick, and the main item that you're going to need are these ornaments from the Dollar Tree. They come in different sizes. This one's a larger one, and then we're going to be tying little goodies to the middle of them. So I've chosen some of this really pretty lotion from the Dollar Tree, but you could also use nail polish, chapstick, anything like that. And then you're also going to need some string or some ribbon or some jute. Something like that we can tie that onto. This project really could not be any easier. I just simply added a little touch of hot glue to the center of the snowflake to keep my lotion in place, and then added some of that cute red and white twine and wrapped it around quite a bit and tied a bow in the middle to make sure it was secure. And now you have a ready to give beautiful little gift idea. And this next project, again, is really inexpensive. It's only 2 products. It's only $2. We have a little small plate here, ceramic white plate, and also a small picture frame easel. And you can add vinyl to this, or you could do a family name, you could do a welcome, you could do a saying, you could do a Bible verse. So there's so many different things you can do on here. I'm going to vinyl, but you can also use a oil-based Sharpie and a baking technique to create a design by hand drawing it as well. I have a full tutorial on how to do that, and I will link that down in the description box below. So if you don't have a vinyl cutter or a way to get a decal, then that's another option for you to create this in just a different way. I'm doing a very simple layering technique with my vinyl for this, and I'm using Oracle vinyl number 651 in red, and the next layer is in matte black. I'll insert the fonts at the caption of this video, so if you like to recreate this, you can. And then I use Duck brand clear contact paper for my transfer sheet. And it sticks really well to the ceramic of the plate, so it was really easy to apply. And then all you have to do is pop it onto your plate stand, and it makes a really beautiful gift. Another very, very inexpensive gift idea for the coffee lover is one of these really nice travel mugs that are plastic, and we're gonna add some vinyl onto here and personalize it. But Dollar Tree also has this really great coffee, and I've paired it together so they match, so they're both red and they're both holiday looking because of the red. And it's just a beautiful set together, and we're just gonna personalize this with some vinyl. Here I am using my Oracle number 651 matte black vinyl, and I will insert a list of the fonts I used for this design. I just made sure to weld everything together in my Silhouette Studio program to make sure it would all come out as one piece. I'm using my transfer sheet here again to apply the vinyl to the cup. So I added the saying to the bottom, and then I added the name to the top. And our last Dollar Tree $5 and under gift idea is we're going to use a really cute way to package all of these baking goodies up. So this is a beautiful canister from the Dollar Tree, and all of these baking supplies came from the Dollar Tree as well. So we have some fudge brownies that we're going to layer with some semi-sweet chocolate chips on top, and then we're going to crush up some of these peppermints to make it holiday for on top of this. And then we're just going to tie it up with some ribbon or some string. It'd be a beautiful gift to give. Very quick, easy, and inexpensive. This one is so easy. All you have to do is layer your ingredients. So I'm adding the brownie mix to the bottom, and then next the chocolate chips on top of that. And then I added the peppermints into a Ziploc bag. I unwrapped each one. I did about 8 for this, and then used a meat tenderizer to crunch them all up. Once they were pretty well crunched up, then I added that on top of the chocolate chips. Then I decided I needed to add the directions from the recipe onto this gift. So I'm using some gift tags from the Dollar Tree here, and I'm just copying down those directions onto the back of the gift tag. Then I added the lid back onto the jar, tied some of that red and white twine around, put the gift tag onto the twine, and tied a cute little bow. And that's all there is to this really quick and easy, inexpensive gift idea from the Dollar Tree. Let me know down in the comments below which one of these DIY gift ideas was your favorite. I'd love to know. I hope that these tutorials inspired you. Make sure to give it a thumbs up for me. That definitely helps out me and my channel. You can also share this with your friends and family and inspire them too. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Happy holidays.